is Wednesday, which means it's our Wednesday exercise of the week. My name is Emmanuel Osisera, your online personal trainer and wellness coach. And today we start off our new series with stationary weightlifting machines. Now, if you've been to just about any gym, you've seen this funky looking tricep machine before. Let's break it down real quick. Oftentimes the seat isn't very close to the stationary arms, and so you want to hold the knob out and simply push the chair forward. You also want to make sure that the seat is high enough as well by doing the exact same thing. You know your arms are properly set up once they're placed comfortably at 90 degrees on the platform ready to push down. Notice that both of my feet are flat on the ground about shoulder width apart. My elbows are comfortably fixed on the platform, and I want to make sure that as I'm pushing down and out, I'm pushing down by squeezing this muscle, okay? So squeezing your tricep, it goes out. Squeezing your tricep, it goes out. Okay, last thing. Notice how I'm controlling the arms all the way down and controlling the arms all the way up, making sure that everything is nice and controlled and not doing any of this fast herky-jerky stuff. That's going to give you a more effective, safe workout. And guys, that's it. You now know how to do a tricep machine press down. As usual, I had a blast making this video for you guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, tap that subscribe button, and let's do this again sometime.